A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Monday's trading action at Dalal Street dated March 7, 2022. In early action, SGX Nifty is well below the dotted lines indicating risk of mood for our stock markets. The negative catalyst, crude oil prices hover at $115 a barrel at fresh highs since 2008. Risk aversion will continue to be the preferred theme as investors shall run to safety in the backdrop of Russia-Ukraine war. Russia continues to aggressively penetrate into Ukraine, and as per latest media reports, the war is seen as the biggest tragedy for the Ukrainian people and also a bigger threat to the future of Europe and the world at large. We suspect the only country that might have the power to stop the war now is China. At the moment, China is seen staying neutral. Technically, for the day, bears will be in the driver's seat with aggressive targets at 15,907 mark. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests that Nifty's bullish sentiments are wounded and most importantly, markets are more fragile than perma-bulls think. Long story short, the last trade is in a perfect eye of the storm of uncertainty. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty current market price 16,295. Sell between 16,300 to 16,350 zone. Strict stop at 16,859. Targets at 15,907 and then at 15,811. Aggressive targets at 14,251 zone. Bank Nifty current market price 34,407. Sell at current market price. Strict stop at 36,557. Targets 34,019 and then at 33,417. Aggressive targets at 31,901 zone. The Nifty options data for March series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 15,500 to 17,000 zone. Maximum call open interest at 17,000 followed by 16,300 strike price. So the 17,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,000 levels followed by 15,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 17,000 and then at 16,300 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 16,300 and then at 16,200 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 38,000 strike price, while maximum put open interest at 33,000 strike price. All eyes will be on the UP election results, which will be announced on 10th of March. UP election results could be the biggest catalyst. Investors will know the public sentiment of the largest political state towards the BJP at both center and state. So all eyes will be glued to the exit polls, which will trickle in later in the day. Our chart of the day is bullish on stocks like Vedanta, National Aluminium and Hindalco with an interweek perspective on any corrective declines, while we continue to remain bearish on stocks like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Siemens, IndusInd Bank and RBL Bank. The government is expected to defer the mega IPO of LIC to the next financial year. The government was looking to sell 5% stake in the LIC of India this month, which could have fetched over Rs 60,000 crore to the exchequer. The LIC IPO would have helped meet the curtailed disinvestment target of Rs 78,000 crore this fiscal. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022 4076 7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.